45 toxic expectations the modern woman has of men. He must pay for everything, even when she earns more. He must always know what she's thinking without her ever saying it. He must never show weakness, not even emotional vulnerability. He must have 6 figures by 25 or he's considered broke. He must be tall, handsome and fit. Average men are invisible. He must chase her endlessly, even when she shows no effort back. He must always text first or he's not serious. He must compete for her attention while she entertains multiple men. He must provide luxury experiences, not meaningful moments. He must accept all her flaws, but she won't tolerate his. He must be emotionally stable, but also handle her instability. He must never complain. Being a man means deal with it. He must always agree with her, or he's controlling. He must read her mood swings like a psychic. He must spoil her constantly, or he doesn't value her. He must protect her physically, even if she disrespects him emotionally. He must never expect gratitude for his efforts. He must have no female friends, but she can have male ones. He must always take accountability, but she can just be emotional. He must be her therapist, but never need therapy himself. He must love her unconditionally, but her love depends on conditions. He must never set boundaries because that's toxic masculinity. He must accept disrespect because strong women speak their minds. He must fix her broken past, no matter how destructive it is. He must stay loyal, even if she's testing his patience. He must have no emotional scars, only she's allowed to have trauma. He must constantly reassure her, even when she doubts him for no reason. He must tolerate her friends' opinions about their relationship. He must not have preferences or he's misogynistic. He must always be available, but she can take her time. He must be calm when she's cruel because he's the man. He must keep improving, but she doesn't need to change. He must accept manipulation disguised as testing his love. He must never raise his voice even when she yells. He must stay after betrayal, but she'll leave after a mistake. He must make her happy, even when she refuses to help herself. He must forgive everything, but she'll end things for one wrong move. He must always be romantic, even when she's emotionally distant. He must ignore his mental health because men don't cry. He must plan the future alone while she waits for clarity. He must remain masculine but soft enough to never offend her. He must never expect respect. It's something he must earn daily. He must tolerate being compared to fictional or celebrity men. He must be perfect in a world that excuses her imperfection. The toxic expectations many modern women hold toward men didn't appear out of nowhere. They were shaped by a mix of cultural shifts, social media illusions, generational pain, and emotional conditioning. Today's dating world is built more on performance than connection. Many women are unconsciously programmed to seek validation, power, and control as substitutes for genuine intimacy and respect. Society sold the idea that independence means superiority, not balance, and that men must constantly prove their worth just to deserve love. In a world where emotional intelligence is mistaken for weakness, the image of the perfect man has become a fantasy checklist. Rich, tall, emotionally available but never sensitive, dominant but never controlling, romantic but never demanding. Social media glorifies luxury lifestyles and high-value dating culture, turning relationships into competitions of who benefits more rather than who connects deeper. This pressure feeds entitlement, where love becomes transactional and empathy becomes optional. Many women have also internalized trauma from past generations. Mothers and grandmothers who felt powerless now pass down a silent message: never depend on a man. That pain mutated into defense mechanisms disguised as standards. Modern culture encourages women to demand from men what the world never taught them to give: stability, emotional depth, and unconditional love. Yet when men express their humanity, fear, confusion, or vulnerability, it's often dismissed as weakness. The result is an emotional double standard that punishes men for being human and rewards women for being emotionally inconsistent. Relationships then become power games, a cycle of testing, proving, and exhausting each other in the name of self-worth. So, rather than seeking partnership, many seek protection through control. When love becomes a battlefield, empathy dies, and both genders end up fighting ghosts of insecurity instead of building real trust. In truth, these toxic expectations reflect a deeper social sickness, the fear of being ordinary in a world obsessed with image. Many women expect godlike perfection because they've been conditioned to equate love with status and validation. They're not necessarily evil or manipulative. They're lost in a culture that glorifies emotional independence while silently starving for genuine connection. Until both men and women unlearn these illusions, modern relationships will keep collapsing under the weight of unrealistic demands. Love will remain less about two people growing together and more about one person trying to outshine the other. Real love can't exist where performance replaces vulnerability. It begins only when both sides accept that perfection isn't the goal, presence is. If you want love to work in this generation, stop treating relationships like competitions. Modern dating has turned into a silent war of who needs who less, who gives less, and who can look stronger while feeling emptier. Both men and women are now performing instead of connecting, pretending to be unbothered while secretly craving peace, loyalty, and emotional safety. For men, stop trying to meet impossible standards just to be enough. You're not an ATM, a therapist, or a mind reader. You are human. Real strength isn't about suppressing emotion, it's about mastering it. Build yourself, not for validation, but for freedom. Set boundaries, not walls. A man who knows his value doesn't chase approval, he attracts respect. Don't be afraid to walk away from someone who confuses love with control or attention with affection. For women, redefine strength. Strength isn't demanding perfection from men. It's understanding that love is not a reward for emotional labor. It's a partnership of growth. You can be independent without being entitled. You can lead without disrespecting. You can desire a strong man without trying to dominate him. The world told you to protect yourself by being hard, but real power is found in softness, the kind that loves without needing to control. Heal your wounds before you demand love. Stop expecting someone to fix what you refuse to face. Respect isn't gendered, it's mutual. Love isn't power, it's partnership. And peace isn't found in perfection, it's found in presence. For both. The truth is, modern love fails because people want connection without accountability. They want loyalty without sacrifice, validation without vulnerability, and growth without discomfort. If you want real love, stop looking for someone who completes you. Find someone who complements your peace. If this message hit home, take a moment to reflect, then take action. Visit my website to explore ebooks, audiobooks, and printable planners designed to help you grow emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. You'll find real tools to understand yourself deeper, rebuild discipline, and create a life that actually feels good from the inside out. And hey, don't just watch and leave. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join this growing community of people who are unlearning toxic patterns and choosing real growth over surface-level validation. Your transformation doesn't start with someone else, it starts with you. Click the link, explore, subscribe, and let's rise together.